In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, edit, and delete a user in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this guide, you'll be proficient in managing customer details efficiently within the platform. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. Once you're there, click on the sign in button. This is where you'll need to ensure you have your login credentials handy so we can move forward smoothly. After selecting QuickBooks Online from the list of services, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Please fill in your username and password, then press the Continue button. It's important to keep your login credentials secure, so make sure you're signed in on a trusted device. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the navigation menu. Here you should look for the Customers and Leads tab. Click on it and it will open a new section where you can view and manage all customer information. Now that you're in the Customers section, your next step is to click on Customers. This will provide a complete list of current customers associated with your account. You can think of this page as your central hub for all things related to customer management. To add a new customer, look for the button labeled New Customer. Click on it to begin entering the details of the new customer you wish to add. Pay special attention to the fields provided. The more accurate and comprehensive your information, the more helpful it will be for your accounting and record keeping needs. Editing an existing customer's profile is just as easy. When you find a customer who needs updates to their information, click on their name to open their profile. You'll then see an edit option which allows you to modify their details as needed. This can be particularly useful for updating contact information or making corrections. Finally, if you need to delete a customer, or perhaps make them inactive, there's a simple process for that too. Locate the small drop-down arrow beside the action column next to the customer's name. Click on this drop-down to reveal additional options, including Make Inactive. Once you've clicked on Make Inactive, you'll see a confirmation prompt that asks, yes, make inactive. Confirm this action if you're sure about removing the customer from the active list. Making a customer inactive is generally reversible, but it's always a good idea to check if the customer information is no longer needed before doing so. And there you have it. You've just learned how to add, edit, and delete a user in QuickBooks Online. Remember, maintaining accurate and current customer information not only helps your business run more smoothly, but also ensures better customer service and support. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.